Hey guys, so I want to try some honey that my coworker brought me from Hawaii. This is the little trio set. It's called Manoa's Honey, right? So let's try it real quick. The first one is that one. That one. Let's see. I don't have a spoon, so we're gonna chug it. Okay, tastes like a regular honey. Okay, the next one is a macadamia. Every time my coworker goes to Hawaii, they have a timeshare, so of course they go all the time. They bring me dark chocolate covered macadamia, and they're actually pretty good. Okay, that's a nutty. Let's try this last one. Pele's Gold. Okay, Pele, let's see. Oh, that one is flowery. Hawaiian honey. I say 8 out of 10. Recommend.